All right, so this is the extension video of the installation for this rear entertainment 7.2-inch Hansshow display. So this display allows you to move this passenger seat forward and backwards. So you can incline it, recline it, move it forward, move it backwards. So just to give your rear passenger some control, if they want more legroom, they can have it. So I have a few lights down here so you can see how the installation works. So this display, that one harness that you connect to the OBD adapter connection to the car down there, it also has an extra wire running from that connection. So if you look closely here, I'm gonna get some lighting. There's a wire right there running from the center console. It goes under the rails. So if you have a fish wire, highly recommend that. You fish it under here and you pull it through. So you pull it under the rail. So under that rail, you pull it across and then you run it between the rug. There's a cutout opening for the rug. These wires are not related. That's ambient lighting for the footwells. And then you run it across over this vent, over. You won't have this one. Well, some of you, if you follow our channel, you might have purchased it. You run that over, across, and here it is again. And then you just hide it. Just hide it between the rug, and you gotta run it through under the rails and between the rails and the rug again. So fish it through. So coming back out, panning out, going through that rail, it comes back out here. There's an opening again between the rug. So Tesla designed that because they do run their wires through here, and that wires go up. It goes up here. This panel right here, this one right here, you just pull this forward. You don't have to take out any torque screw or anything. Just pull it out like this. You see that? And then you pull that wire up and you connect it to this computer box. This is the Tesla seat controller. So you just plug it in here. So you take this plug out, you plug that in, and then you do the U-loop. So let me show you. So this is the U-loop right here. The T connection, I call it. So the Hansshow plug goes in here, and then you connect that plug you pull out from the Tesla plug that was in here. You connect that to the Hansshow plug. So it loops back in. And to close this, that's all you do. And that's how you install the seat controller to the 7.2-inch display. Very simple. It just requires a fishing wire. It makes it a lot easier when you get the actual wire in between the rails and the carpet. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe. Catch you all next time.